We go to the next convergent test, limit comparison test. So the limit comparison test use the formula of the limit and approach infinity for the an divided by bn, where you get the value of k. So k can be either greater than 0, from the k can be greater than 0 until infinity. So the value between 0 and infinity. So you might get the value of 0, you might get the value of k, which being any number, and then you can also get the value of infinity, positive or negative infinity. So all the result from the limit was depend on the value of bk. So the bk should be tested and select from the series that we already learned, which is from the p series, either p series, harmonic series or geometric series. So as you can see here, if you get a value for the limit, it can be either two answer. If the bk is converges, then the ak will be also converges. If the bk is diverges, then the a should be also diverges. So if you get a value of 0, it can be a converges result. If the bk is converges, then the ak will be converges. If you get a value of infinity, the bk diverges, then the a and ak also diverges. Okay, so we go to the first example. Summation of 7n cubed minus n squared plus 1 over n to the power of 5 plus n cubed plus 2 from n equal to 1 until infinity. So firstly, we identify the an and bn. So an, as you know, that it was the question itself. The bn is the first polynomial from here. So bn is the 7n cubed over n to the power of 5. Simplify becomes 7 over n square. So since we are using limit comparison test, so the limit comparison test is the limit n approach infinity, an over bn. So the limit n approach infinity is the 7n cubed minus n squared plus 1 over n to the power of 5 plus n cubed plus 2 multiply with the n squared over 7. So from here, if you simplify, you will get infinity over infinity, where you have to apply the L'Hopital's rule here until you get the value of 1 over 7. So please show this not only until here. So you have to proceed until you get 1 over 7. You have to show the L'Hopital's rule. And then here, we have to test for the bk because the result is depend on the b. So the b is the 7 over n square. According to the p series, p equal to 2 greater than 1. So the series 7 over n square where the bk is converges. So as a conclusion, the ak or the question itself is converges.